Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to order on Shein for the first time in 2026. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So all you need to do is simply go ahead and download and install the Shein application and open it. If you haven't already created an account, go ahead and do so. Click on the profile icon on the bottom and then click on the sign in button. All you need to do is click on sign in/register and make sure that you create an account by entering your email or phone number. Once you've done that, it's going to simply go ahead and send you a verification code. When you enter that, your account is going to be created. I'm just going to go ahead and continue with Apple right here. You can do it as well if you want to. So once your account is created, all you need to do is simply go ahead and look for any kind of product that you might want to purchase. Click on add to cart and then go to your cart and now click on checkout. This is about it. Enter your shipping address, your payment details, and that is it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.